Joel, what are we eating today?
Today we will be having the Monster Mac from McDonald's.
Yeah. What does that contain?
It's a Big Mac, but it has 8 patties.
Yeah?
So basically, it's heart attack between 2 buns
That basically sums it up.
with some secret sauce.
So we're gonna ask for it, and if they say no, then we're gonna tell them what it is, and if they still don't want to make it, then we're gonna make it ourselves. And we'll be back. Guys, give me 1 second, I'll be right with you. All right.
Oh, you might
Hey guys.
Hi. I'd like to order the Monster Mac.
What was that?
The Monster Mac.
The Monster Mac? I have no idea what that is.
It's a secret menu item that we found online. Basically what it is that it's a Big Mac, but with 8 beef patties on it.
I don't know what that is, nor can I make that, so...
I guess in that case, could I get a Big Mac? And then could I have 3 McDoubles?
3 McDoubles?
Yeah, but without like mustard on them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, that'll be all.
Yeah, that'll be all.
Oh, can we have 2 fountain drinks also?
879, you want 2 drinks?
Yeah.
It's gonna be 1092.
The order. A Big Mac, a McDouble, and another McDouble, one mustard, no mustard. Now we wait for the man of the hour. Chop bacon. 8 patties. Oh my god. What is that? What is that thing? What? What is that? I need to focus here. Alright, take a sandwich, Tyler. We got the big Mac first. The Big Mac's amazing. Oh, I already threw them all. Use this. Oh, my salad. Yeah, because I like salad burgers and that. Yeah, that's what I'm on. Oh, that is one Big Mac. What is that? That's not it. It's not it. Oh, sorry. He's got it. I've never had a Big Mac. We'll see, because there's like 2. There's also 1 there. So put 1 under the first bun. See that? Take this one off. Put 1 there. And put this one back on. Put 1 there. And put this one back on. And put 1 on top of that.
No, we're just thinking power burgers.
I know, but it needs to be uniform. It needs to be uniform.
Alright, how's that?
So put this one back on. No, we can't double bun. Alright, you're right. Put that back on. Fine. It doesn't make everyone. I should be arguing with you.
Okay.
Alright. Hold on. Look at this leaning tower of burger pizza.
Then just switch it. So I'll do that south one.
It is. Alright, stop. We're good. The Monster Mac. There are 8 patties in that. Alright, I'm gonna eat it. Take it down. Yeah. This is gonna be right there.
Hey, give me good luck.
How am I gonna fit this in my mouth, Tyler? This isn't gonna work.
Are you sure?
Can't you cut it in half or something? You have to eat the whole thing.
I'm gonna eat the whole thing. I don't know how. That worked.
First bite.
Don't.
Only 30,000 more to go.
Did it right. How much did you get? Okay, well the $206 I made.
Okay.
That's nasty.
Oh, what's nasty again?
This goodness. Oh, dude, you're gonna be sick.
It's not even that special. It's literally just burger. It's like this thing is like,
You're eating the inside out for the
I
outside.
don't know how to eat this. It's literally like, what do you want to eat? Give me all the meat you got in the back.
Summon your inner Guy Fieri, Joel.
Alright.
Wait, hold it. Let me focus. Oh, dude, that is goodness right there.
I'm never ordering this again. What? I mean, I would order a Big Mac, but I want to eat it with 3 McDonald's.
Yeah.
I don't have 10 seconds to try.
Hurry, Joel. That's it.
Oh, I'm trying. Not yet. I thought it had between 2 buns. And then we realized it was like 60 buns.
And then, yeah, we just like put the buns
Well,
on.
it's not buns, actually.
Like, hey, why not add the buns?
Did you so you go all the way or you go none of the way, right?
I agree with that.
There's no hot
Do
burger.
you want to hurry up? Do you want to hurry up, Guy Fieri?
You can't rush perfection.
Are you sure?
I think so. We should have got napkins.
Dude, we got napkins for days, dude. We got napkins for days, dude.
We have burgers for days, alright? Alright. We forgot the heart.
No.
That's a different kind.
No. Excuse me, what is all this? What is it? What is it? Wait. What is this? I don't get it. I'm doing like that. Okay, that's nasty. How are you? You got all the way. Now you got all the way.
Oh, I'm good.
All right, we'll
Oh, my god, dude.
You.
No!
Don't waste it. Don't waste it. Now it's gonna be Hurry up! Here. 2, main focus, 1, big knife, and then main focus, 3, double, no monster, tax, total, change, cash, enter, cash, enter.
Yeah, we changed location. We're now outside McDonald's.
Oh my god. So much meat. So little.
No, dude, you're good to go.
What's the crappy one later?
I mean, it's your turn to come up with it.
I know. I'm trying to think now. I still have 10 minutes.
Joel, I'm not making this 20-minute video, dude. It's gonna be too sped up. They're not gonna understand what's happening. I'm just gonna like stop at certain points, give them like checkpoints. I don't want to.
Wait for 6 to be born. Wait, it's not going to be so, basically, because of the way we got, and then we cannot hit. Yes, precisely. No, this is the best game angle. Please, this is the best game angle. Best game angle, please. I don't want to see that. Oh, that's so gross. Hurry up. Hurry up. Yes, yeah, that is the correct strategy right there. Hurry up. You don't like one to go. I'll pause it back in. I saw Dave do just 3 pounds. Yeah, Dave. Wait, why? Yeah. So far.
You're good.
Yeah.
If you throw white patties onto it.
Well, you also put salad on it.
I had salad on the McGangbang, and McGangbang had mayonnaise. It's not
Yeah, a
mayonnaise.
McGangbang should not
This
be
is
allowed.
literally ketchup, cheese, and burger.
A
There is
McGangbang?
no. You can't even taste lettuce on this.
I should not
You know
be
what?
allowed.
One, it all fell off, and
Yeah,
2,
sorry.
I don't even see lettuce.
Uh-oh. There's trouble over there.
Make it quadruple.
Trouble in
Spit as a quitters. Please keep that in there.
We got a minute to win it. Good luck.
You know what they do in the French Revolution?
What?
They sit Marie Antoinette down at the guillotine and be like, you know what? We're not chopping your head off. Eat a freaking monster mash until your head
one of
explodes.
these. Take one of these.
Oh god!
Why are so many of you?
Oh god! Oh, we have a squad. It was only supposed to be me. Oh my god. Those are his. Oh god, how it almost happened. It almost happened. Did you not see that? Look how much stuff is another one. Yeah, I'll take it. No, he has to finish. I've come too far to go now. You can eat the lettuce.
Yeah, eat the lettuce. Don't let it. Don't
Look
let
at
it
look
go
at
to
him eating
waste.
the lettuce while I try to.
All of it, basically.
Competitive.
Comp.
You're fucking with the table.
Hurry up. All of it. Nothing left.
He's eating the burger.
No residue. All right. Oh no.
I tapped out. I tapped out.
This is onions, cheese. So, oh, what's that for? Oh, they're going this way.
Tyler.
Last bite.
My cheesy one-liner this time is, "Don't get a Monster Mac." I can't.
No,
finish one bite.
put it all in your mouth. Do it, dude. Oh, yes, dude. Last bite. Just because of last time, I gotta zoom in.
Wait a minute! Who are you? I'll tell you a secret.